All right, so first we're going to start with our powered USB hub. Connect the USB 2.0 port. We get our power. Now we're going to grab our Logitech webcam here. Put that in. Then we're going to grab our headset, which we have a wireless headset. Plug it in here. Now let's go ahead and make sure everything works. Got Zoom loaded here. So come check our settings, our video. No, see, here's our video. And audio, test that, check, check. We're getting audio. Now let's say you actually had your meeting on your Windows PC. You can jump over really quick. You can go to your settings here, video. Got video. Check our audio, check, check. And we've got audio here. We're good to go. So it's that easy.